Hello, this is David Kim, a specialist of GRP panel tank. This is a second video of know-how for installation of GRP panel tank. I shared some informations for the first movie. In the first movie, I shared with you site inspection and product receiving and material sorting and quantity checking, also quality checking. This is the second video. We are going to have some more information about the know-how to save time and money. Shall we start? How was the movie? If you like my channel, please subscribe and put like and alarm also. If you have any inquiries, please send me email. Thank you.